For over 5 decades, our world-class technical services department at Laticrete has played a crucial role in supporting our customers, industry professionals, and a multitude of projects by providing technical expertise, guidance, and assistance throughout the entire installation process. Technical services is always available through our various channels, including phone calls, instant messenger on the Laticrete website, and email consultations. We're here to help with just about anything. Looking for product recommendations? We help customers choose the most suitable Laticrete products for their specific projects, taking into account factors such as the type of tile or stone being used, the substrate, environmental conditions, and the desired performance characteristics. Need installation guidance? We also provide comprehensive architectural details and specifications, thorough installation guidelines, and industry best practices to ensure proper use of our products. This includes information on surface preparation, mixing ratios, application techniques, curing times, and more. Looking for custom solutions? In many cases, Laticrete Technical Services can develop custom solutions or recommendations for unique or complex projects. This may involve recommending specific installation methods, suggesting alternative product combinations, or conducting on-site assessments. For larger or more complex projects, we may offer on-site support or consultations to help ensure a successful installation. Technical Services works closely with project managers, architects, and contractors to address any technical concerns and challenges. To enhance working knowledge and skills, we offer training and educational resources to contractors, installers, and professionals working with Laticrete products. These include seminars, e-learning, webinars, workshops, and continuing education-credited AIA and IDCEC courses. The Laticrete Technical Services Department serves as an invaluable resource for all distributors, installers, construction professionals, and end users. We provide essential technical expertise, guidance, and support to ensure the effective use of Laticrete products and the achievement of top-notch installations. This commitment, in turn, contributes to upholding Laticrete's reputation as a trusted provider of construction solutions. To delve deeper into our technical services support and discover additional resources, be sure to check out our distributor portal at laticreteuniversity.com.